Hi, Future Sight here with Cole Rosentreader of Pegasus Imagery. First job out of high school.
So my first job out of high school, I didn't know if going to university was the right path. So I talked to my parents about it and I said, I'm not sure. So my dad asked me, what are you going to do? And I said, move out and get a job. So my father was in construction. So I got a job working as a steam fitter apprentice, actually out of Fort Saskatchewan at an industrial construction site. I mean, I actually really liked it. The one thing I really liked was actually night shift.
Night shift.
Yeah, during the daytime, there was so many people on that construction site that it was a lot of hurrying up to wait, so to speak. So I tried switching to night shift, and well, one, the money was better, but two, the work was good. You had a better rhythm. You could get progress. You weren't tripping over other people or waiting around for 10,000 people. You were only waiting for 100 people.
So really part of that philosophy that you took on at that young age was you wanted to get things done and built.
Yeah, well, I don't think I've ever been one to actually sit around too much. Generally speaking, when you know what the right thing to do is, yeah, go forward from there.
Okay. What did prompt you to decide on joining the military?
It was actually really easy. So I was actually working construction at that same site in 2001 when September 11th happened. So
September 11th, the September 11th,
yeah,
9/11.
Yeah. So somebody came by and said, in the morning, hey, a plane just flew into a building in New York, and I said, oh, that's weird. And then, by the end of the day, we kind of knew exactly what was going to go on, and it was a really easy decision to join the military. I looked around and I said, hey, you know what? I'm 18 at the time. It looks like our biggest ally just got attacked. I assumed that we're going to go to war, and at that point, I was young, fit, and ready to serve. So it made sense. It was very crystal clear that that was the right thing to do. And I thought maybe it would be a year or two. I didn't realize it was going to continue on.
How many years?
So I served 15 years in the infantry.
15.
Yeah. I've had opportunities that I don't think people even really know are even possible. A good example is in 1 month I was in South America with a partner for us down there and on an exchange, and we were parachuting into the Amazon. And then a month and a half later, I was parachuting into the Arctic. So those are some of the experiences that really helped shape me. But the biggest thing I learned in the military was humility, and probably about how to put a mission above everything else.
That's pretty awesome.
Yeah.
I'm going to segue now, and then we'll be back with our next episode to talk about your next move and your interest in drones. Thank you.